Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we'll start off with investing.com is mainly a market research charting analyst platform, not a direct brokerage. You cannot execute live trades directly on investing.com. You can use it for market data signals and analysis and then place trades through your own broker. So now I'll show you how to do this. So head on over to investing.com, create an account or sign in. I'm going to sign in with my Google account like so. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto charts. So now investing.com covers multiple markets from stocks, global exchanges, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, gold, oil, etc. And also S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nifty, ETFs and bonds. Now we can go ahead and click on search the website and choose which market you'd like to go for. So say for the example, I want to do Ethereum and USD. I'm going to go ahead and click on ETH USD. Now if I scroll down, I'm going to sign in again because that's asking me to do so. So now this is going to go ahead and open the interactive chart for my asset here. We can expand this chart. So if I scroll down, we can expand this and make this bigger. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the technical chart on the top right hand corner. Now if I scroll down, is it just me or this site is a bit laggy? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so now we've got the technical chart here. Now what I like to do is make this full screen. So just above the chart, we can go ahead and click on that full screen button. Just makes it easier. Now if you want to go ahead and make trades or buy or sell, go ahead and click on the buy button. And now what this is going to do, this is going to open up a new page where you can connect to your broker or you can sign up to a broker. And then here they'll also show you their trusted partners. So you can scroll down, have a look at them if you want to go with one of those trusted partners. And I'll give you a quick overview of which one. So once you connect that, we can go back here. Now we can use this chart to help us make these trades. So yeah, just choose a broker and then you're going to have to make that trade with whichever broker you have chosen.